Hey, thanks for joining us again. We're shopping at Publix and they had on sale this jar of strawberry syrup. It was a whole $1.11, so I'm thinking it was on clearance. We talked about it. We said we don't really use strawberry syrup. We don't use any kind of syrup. We don't eat pancakes or waffles very often. What could we use this for? We hate to pass up a bargain, and $1.11 is certainly a bargain. So we thought we'd try using it as the liquid for some scones. That's what we're doing tonight. Thanks for joining us. Let's see how it goes. I'm kind of a lazy dishwasher, and I don't like to make more dishes than necessary. I need 2 cups of flour. And I'm going to need the 2/3 cup later for measuring the milk and the strawberry syrup. So I just use the 2/3 cup for flour as well. Some butter, I should cut that one, it's not enough. I used to do all this by hand, which was fine when I was younger, but now that I've gotten some arthritis in my fingers, it really hurts. So I've moved on to using this, what do you call this? I can't even think what you call it.
Pastry cutter.
A pastry cutter. I actually never used one until I realized that I was not baking much because it just hurt my hands too much to mix it, and I found this to be really helpful. Some people use egg in their scones. That wasn't the way I learned when I was in school. Thank you, Mrs. King, for how you taught us. It is what it is. And they are just fine without eggs, as far as I'm concerned. They don't keep well, though, because of, I think it's because they don't have egg in. So you do have to eat them pretty quickly. There's a little butter left in here. I'll get that out. Typically, scones have milk. Today we're just going to mix the milk and the strawberry syrup and see how that turns out. I'm hoping for good strawberry scones. It smells really good. This is blackberry patch strawberry syrup, which seems like a little bit of an oxymoron. It's made a well in the middle. Pour the milk in there and the syrup. Mix that together. Crosses my mind to think that it would be really nice to put chocolate chips in this. If this turns out well, maybe we'll do that the next time. consistency. Sometimes when you use something other than just plain milk, it's a little dry. It's hard to mix together, but this has all come together pretty nicely. I call that done. Roll flour down. Knead this together 10 times. Flour. That looks good. One thing I didn't learn in school, but I taught myself to make this sort of rectangle shape, roll it into a circle, cut it in half, and then just pat this out into a circle about the thickness you want. Flour the knife, because otherwise it's just going to get stuck. Cut this into 4. And voila, you have triangular scones. We'll do the same with the other half. Aim to get it about the same thickness as the first half. And we're ready to go. We'll pop those into the oven for 10 minutes, and our treat will be ready. Well, I hope it will be good. Well, here they are. They are very flat, which is not really a huge surprise. Anytime I make scones with something liquid other than milk, they tend to be kind of flat. So hopefully they'll still taste good, and we'll look forward to eating them. We have some strawberry jam to have with them, just in case they're not strawberry enough. Now, if you are trying this yourself and you want to do it, I should mention that we did have the oven on 450. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe below for us. We'll see you the next time.